Our universe hosts objects so ridiculously massive that they make our most powerful nuclear weapons look like birthday candles. We're talking about stars that could swallow our entire solar system whole, black holes containing the mass of billions of suns, and structures stretching across distances that light takes billions of years to cross. So what happens when these monsters collide? Picture a planet the size of Jupiter, floating alone in the dark. Now it's barreling straight towards Stephenson 218, a red monster star so huge that if you dropped it where our sun sits, it would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and stretch past Saturn's orbit. This isn't even close to a fair fight. The second that rogue planet hits the star's outer edge, it doesn't just melt or burn. It gets torn apart atom by atom, faster than you can blink. It's like throwing a snowball into a blast furnace. But that crash sends shockwaves rippling through the star's insides, totally messing up the delicate balance act that keeps this giant from collapsing. The star, already walking a tightrope between stability and chaos, completely loses it. Within hours, the perfect balance between gravity, crushing everything inward, and nuclear fire, pushing everything outward, falls apart like a house of cards. What happens next is a supernova, an explosion so insanely violent, it dumps more energy in seconds than our sun will pump out over its entire 10 billion year life. The explosion shoots out beams of deadly radiation that would be like cosmic spotlights, visible even from other galaxies, basically screaming into the universe. Something really bad just went down over there. Picture a black hole 15 times heavier than our sun battling a neutron star, a Manhattan-sized ball so dense that a spoonful weighs as much as a mountain. As these monsters spiral together, the neutron star gets stretched like carnival taffy. The black hole's gravity literally rips it apart, peeling off glowing layers that whip around at nearly light speed. The universe's most deadly light show. If you're watching this cosmic smackdown, time goes haywire. The neutron star appears to slow down as it approaches a black hole, its light turning red and fading until it looks frozen in time. Meanwhile, the collision is so violent it creates ripples in space itself, gravitational waves that stretch and squeeze reality across the universe. The leftovers create a blazing whirlpool of superheated matter, spinning around the black hole like the world's most dangerous washing machine. This disk briefly becomes hotter than anything in the universe, while forging gold and platinum by the ton. It's nature's most extreme precious metal factory. We're looking at two neutron stars, but one's packing a secret weapon, magnetic fields a trillion times stronger than Earth's. These magnetars have magnetic forces so insane, they literally tear atoms apart by just existing. As these two super-dense death balls spiral together, the magnetar's magnetic field starts warping matter and electromagnetic radiation before they even touch. It strips away chunks of matter and launches them at near light speed, creating cosmic jets that stretch for light years, like the universe's deadliest lasers. The collision creates what scientists call a kilonova. And yeah, that name is as badass as it sounds. This explosion creates conditions more extreme than anything since the universe's birth, churning out more gold, platinum, and rare metals in moments than our sun makes in billions of years. The 2017 kilonova we witnessed alone produced 5 Earth masses of strontium, the stuff that makes fireworks glow red, plus hundreds of Earth masses of pure gold. The gamma-ray blast could sterilize any planet within 100 light years. It's the universe's most efficient jewelry store, and planet killer rolled into one. Welcome to the heavyweight championship of the universe. Picture Ton 618, a black hole that weighs as much as 40 billion of our suns, going toe-to-toe with another monster just as big. To wrap your head around this size, if our sun was a marble sitting on your desk, Ton 618 would be as massive as a skyscraper. These aren't just big objects. They're basically separate pocket universes where gravity has gone completely insane. each one surrounded by a point of no return, stretching 30 times wider than our entire solar system. This cosmic wrestling match plays out like a disaster movie in super slow motion, taking millions of years to unfold. As these beasts slowly spiral toward each other, they mess with the path of entire star populations. Picture someone shaking a snow globe with 100 billion stars inside. Some stars get launched toward galactic centers, while others get kicked out into the empty darkness like cosmic outcasts. The space ripples from this merger would be so powerful you could feel them from the very edge of everything we can see. Imagine waves in reality itself, so strong that could rattle the entire universe. When these two finally smash together, they'd create a super black hole with a danger zone, stretching over 1,000 times the distance from Sun to Pluto, making a gravitational beast so massive it breaks your brain just trying to imagine it. You know how black holes eat everything? Well, imagine the opposite. A white hole that spits out matter and energy non-stop. Like a broken fire hydrant shooting out stars and gas inside of water. White holes only exist in Einstein's equations. Nobody's ever even seen one, and most scientists think they don't exist. But let's pretend one does. Picture this cosmic fire hydrant going up against Ton 618, a supermassive black hole weighing 66 billion times more than our sun. It's like a garden sprinkler fighting Niagara Falls. The black hole's gravity bends space into a funnel, while the white hole desperately blasts matter outward. But it's hopeless. The black hole just swallows everything the white hole spits out, plus the white hole itself. Space around them becomes a cosmic blender. Matter gets stretched into glowing streams hotter than the sun's core. Gravitational waves ripple across the universe like a bowling ball dropped in a swimming pool. The outcome? The white hole gets demolished in seconds, feeding the black hole and making it even bigger. David versus Goliath, except Goliath eats David whole. Picture a supermassive black hole weighing tens of millions of suns approaching the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, the largest known structure in the universe. A cosmic chain of galaxies spanning nearly 10 billion light years. To put this in perspective, if our galaxy were a marble, the Great Wall would stretch from New York to Los Angeles. As this cosmic monster approaches the Great Wall's edge, its gravity begins pulling apart everything in sight. Entire galaxy clusters start falling inward, their path getting scrambled like a house of cards collapsing. The black hole bends space so much so that the whole galaxies get stretched into glowing rings. Streams of gas from torn apart galaxies spiral inward, forming a spinning ring of hot matter that shines brighter than entire clusters. The black hole announces its arrival with jets of plasma shooting across millions of light years, cutting tunnels through space itself. Here's the cosmic puzzle. Even against something as huge as the Great Wall, this ultimate destroyer can only nibble at the edges. It could feed for billions of years, eating galaxy after galaxy, yet never finish the whole meal. Instead, this becomes a slow takeover, steadily munching through a city of stars while the Great Wall slowly falls apart around the glowing monster. And now we hit the ultimate showdown. Structures so mind-bogglingly huge, they make your brain hurt just thinking about them. When the Sloan Great Wall crashes into the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, we're watching the two biggest things we've ever discovered in the universe duke it out. The Sloan stretches 1.4 billion light years across, while its opponent spans nearly 10 billion light years. That's like 10% of literally everything we can see. This collision plays out slowly. It makes geological time look like a quick sneeze. We're talking tens of billions of years. Just to blow your mind, our entire universe is only 13.8 billion years old. So this cosmic wrestling match would take longer than everything that's ever happened since the Big Bang. This isn't just two things bumping into each other. It's like the universe is completely redecorating itself. These great walls are packed with millions of galaxy neighborhoods, each one containing thousands of individual galaxies. The invisible scaffolding that holds everything together. Dark matter making up most of the universe, stretches and reconnects across distances so vast that light takes billions of years just to travel from one end to the other. Massive empty spaces, bigger than our entire galactic neighborhood, merge and grow. It's like the cosmic spiderweb that connects everything is getting completely rewoven. The gravitational ripple effects would mess with galaxy making across billions of light years, potentially sparking the birth of trillions of brand new stars. It's basically the universe doing its own extreme home makeover, reshaping the cosmic neighborhood in ways that are almost impossible to wrap your head around.